Hey guys, it's Nathan, and welcome to Hail. So June is going to be a very interesting month for you guys. I have a pretty interesting idea up my sleeve. There are so many videos that I make on this channel that you guys comment on and give me recommendations on what movies you think I should watch. I thought that it would be really cool if I spent a month watching the movies that you guys want me to watch. And so, for the month of June 2020, I am going to watch 10 movies that you guys choose for me. Now, stick around because I'm gonna have to explain how this is going to work. What I need you guys to do is to comment below on what movies you would like me to watch. You could comment one movie, you could comment 10 movies. Basically, what I'll be doing is I'll be going through the comments, choosing a handful of movies, and then from there, on my Instagram page, my movie Instagram page, @CinemaNate, I will be posting polls throughout the month saying which movie should I watch. So let's say, for an example, the movies that were suggested were Rushmore, directed by Wes Anderson, and Orpheus, the Criterion. I would then go on Instagram, post a poll, and say, which movie should I watch tonight? Rushmore or Orpheus. It would then be your guys' task to vote on which movie you would like me to watch. And so it's going to be a little bit more than just commenting what movie you think I should watch. To get the full experience, you guys will have to follow my Instagram page too so that you can actually vote on which movies I should watch. And then at the end of the month, I will be ranking the 10 movies that you guys chose for me to watch. Now, preferably, I would like to watch movies that I've never seen before. I understand that's a little hard for you guys to gauge of what movies I've seen and what movies I haven't seen. So if you're really committed to this, I'm going to go ahead and leave my watch list in the description below. If you click the link in the description below, it will lead you to my watch list on Letterboxd, and you can see which movies I have never seen before. Because basically every movie on my watch list I haven't seen. And so to lay it out simply, here's what I need you guys to do. Comment below on what movies you want me to check out. Then head over to Instagram, follow @cinema_Nate, and be on the lookout throughout the month of June so that you can vote on which movies I watch. And be on the lookout at the end of the month of June so you can see what I thought of the movies that you guys voted for. This is kind of an experiment. I just want to see how this works. I want to see really where this goes. And so I'm really depending on you guys. I'm excited for this. I hope it works out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day.